ServiceNow Certified Implementation Specialist. Service provides CIS-SP exam sample questions are here for studying. 1. What does an admin click to view only global domain processed while in the global domain? A. Global domain scope. B. Configure domain scope. C. Collapse domain scope. D. Revert domain scope. 2. When an administrator working in a domain modifies a policy that exists in a higher domain or in global, the system automatically A. Creates a new policy and application in the current domain. B. Modifies original policy but not current domain. C. Creates a new record for that administrator's current domain and overrides the original. D. Modifies the module record and overrides the original. 3. What is delegated administration? A. Allows users without the admin role to develop applications. B. Allows service providers to grant admin access to their customers. C. Allows tasks and approvals to be handled temporarily by another user. D. Another name for process separation. 4. To data separate a new table, add a field named SYS_domain with a field type of string. B. SYS_domain with a reference to the domain table. C. SYS_domain with a field type of domain ID. D. Domain referencing the company table. 5. What is the mechanism for placing records in the default domain? A. Business rules. B. Domain path. C. Process separation. D. Data policy. 6. What is the purpose of the Domain Separation Center? A. Global admins, rack domain separation activities. B. Configuring and managing domain separation. C. Domain admins to manage their specific domain. D. Configure and review domain configuration audits for errors and warnings. 7. The default domain should be specifically used for which purposes? Choose 2 answers. A. Help identify integrations that are incorrectly creating global data. B. Contain shareable domain data across domains in an instance. C. Capture records with no domain on tables that should not have global data. D. To be configured as the primary domain for an instance. E. Contain the default process for an instance. 8. Which represents the direction in the domain hierarchy in which can you see data? A. You can see data in child domains of your current domain, downstream. B. You can see data in parent domains of your current domain, upstream. C. You can only see data in your current domain. D. You can see data from parents and children of your current domain. 9. Even though the inbound actions table has a domain field, records in this table should all be placed in this single location within the domain hierarchy. A. Default. B. Top. C. Service provider. D. Global. 10. Process domains are used to consolidate process updates for easy maintenance. What is the recommendation for handling such domains? A. Update the global processes rather than creating overrides in the process domain. B. Create overrides in the process domain or update global processes. C. Creating overrides in the process domain and update global processes. D. Create overrides in the process domain rather than updating global processes.